We're going to be looking at Kalshi, big things happening with this platform. Let's dive in. A major shift is happening in trading, and today we're looking at Kalshi. Kalshi is the first CFTC regulated US exchange to offer perpetual style trading, and that's a big deal because for years a lot of traders interested in these types of markets had to look offshore. And now Kalshi is bringing this experience onshore. It's a regulated exchange, federal oversight, which is a completely different approach. So today I'm going to show you what Kalshi is, how perpetual trading works, how long and short positions work, how leverage works, and how Kalshi displays the risk. So we're going to go through step by step through the actual platform today. Let's dive into it. First, let's talk about this. Why Kalshi has been getting so much attention, because Kalshi isn't just another trading platform. It's a CFTC regulated exchange, and that matters. So the biggest difference comes down to where and how you are trading. So a lot of platforms historically offering similar products operate offshore. If you wanted to get into this, typically you jumped offshore. Okay, so that created questions around transparency, oversight, accessibility. Kalshi is bringing this experience through a regulated US exchange. So instead of using an offshore platform, users now have access to these markets through Kalshi. But before we jump into the platform, you need to understand what you're actually trading. And that comes with this question: what exactly are perps? Because this is where a lot of people get confused. A perpetual contract does not mean you're buying the asset. You're trading the price direction. For example, if you believe the market is moving higher, you can go long. Long means you have a bullish view. If you believe the market is moving lower, you can short. Short means you have a bearish view. You open the position, you follow the movement, and you choose when to close. The other major difference is there are no expiration dates. So unlike some traditional contracts where time runs out, perpetuals allow you to manage the position without a fixed expiration. So that's the biggest difference, okay? And another feature people look at with perpetual trading is leverage. But this is where understanding risk is extremely important. Leverage allows you to increase your exposure. A simple example would be, instead of only having exposure equal to your original amount, leverage can increase the size of your position, but this works in both directions. A bigger position means bigger market impact, positive or negative. Leverage can amplify the upside, but it also can amplify your losses, and liquidation risks are real. This is why Kalshi makes risk visibility a major part of the experience. Inside the platform, you can actually see your position health. You'll see indicators like healthy, at risk, high risk. That way you understand where your position stands, because good trading isn't just about entering positions. It's about understanding and managing the risk. So now let's actually open Kalshi. So first, when you get onto the platform, this is what you'll see. Kalshi makes it simple to navigate. This is what we love. You can browse available markets, look through different opportunities, and choose what you want to explore. So let's click into one. Open market. So before entering anything, look at the information Kalshi provides. You can see the market, the current pricing, the movement, the details around the contract. Now let's walk through how a trade works. So step one, you choose direction. Right? Are you bullish? Are you bearish? Where do you think this is going to go? Do you believe the market moves higher? That would mean you're going long. Do you believe it moves lower? That would be going short. Choose your position. This is where you decide your exposure. Then if you use leverage, understand exactly what you're doing. Always look at your risk information, because Kalshi shows you your liquidation risk directly inside the platform. You'll be able to see if your position is healthy, getting close to risk, high risk. Then once everything looks correct, you can open that position. After that, you'll be able to monitor it, manage it, and close it, whatever you decide, right? This is how you can not only enter the trade, you can manage the trade at this point. And the reason why Kalshi is getting attention is because they're taking something traders have always wanted access to and bringing it into a different environment. A CFTC regulated exchange, onshore access, federal oversight, a simple interface, clear risk indicators, and a markets people actually understand. So trading continues to evolve, and what we're seeing here is Kalshi becoming one of the names pushing that next evolution forward. So if you want to check out Kalshi, use the link in the description right below. New users who sign up through the referral link and trade at least $10 can unlock a $10 bonus. Go explore the platform, learn how it works, understand the tools, and also understand the risk and see why many people are paying attention to Kalshi. Hope you guys got some value out of this video. Keep moving forward in everything that you do. We'll see you soon.